All right, let's talk a little bit about brushing. Brushing is one of those things that you need to do at least weekly. You want to come out and brush the walls, brush the steps of your pool. If any dirt is staying on any surfaces for too long, it will end up staining. So brushing that and moving it around, letting your cleaning system capture that is going to help prevent staining. Also, regular brushing will help prevent algae growth. Algae starts to develop before you see it, but if you brush your pool surfaces, a lot of times that algae won't appear. So you also have to have a good quality brush. Make sure you have some strong bristles, that it will support what you're doing and knock off that dirt and that algae in the pool. So if you've got anything like this laying around in your backyard, I've seen a lot of these where these bristles are just totally falling apart, just do this, go throw it in the trash. We can help you get a new brush that's gonna do a much better job in your pool. All right, so yeah, you're just gonna wanna, it's pretty straightforward. You just wanna brush your steps, brush it out towards the center of the pool. Make sure you're brushing all the steps, the vertical parts of your steps right here. You're gonna wanna brush this part as well. And again, just brush everything out towards the center of your pool. Whether you have a vacuum or a pop-up system, cleaning system, that'll help your cleaning system trap that debris into your filter. The other thing we need to make sure that you're doing frequently is brushing the water line. So if you have water line tile, wherever the water line is, just make sure you're frequently brushing that. Just come out here and give it a nice aggressive scrub. That'll help avoid that calcium buildup and that scum that builds up from all the oils and stuff that floats to the surface of the pool and settles on that water line. So again, make sure that you come out frequently to brush your pool. It's gonna help avoid staining, it's gonna help avoid algae growth. Even if the pool looks clean, still come out and brush at least once a week.